So this is the margarita pizza, is freshly baked, which I order, and chips, and is in my drinks, just a snack. But however, is this my dinner anyway? I don't wanna have any dinner later. We're here in what is the name of this pub? Yielding pub. No, is the, I don't know. Yeah, but we're still in Yielding anyway. We're the boathouse and
Yielding.
yeah, the place they called it Yielding. And then anyway, is this an plan to go out because it's Sunday and I would prefer that not to go out, but since the weather is good,
Since it's your birthday,
birthday for me, and
50 something.
if you look up behind me, look, it's very nice place indeed.
50 something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's the pub. I really like this camera. I don't know, I delete all the files in there, but the memory is still low memory. I don't know why. Going to have a mukbang. It's mukbang.
You love mukbangs.
Yeah, mukbangers. Then, oh, lami lang pizza dire kay kanang kuan, freshly baked. Take me pizza because I'm going to put in my thumbnail.
Right, done it.
It's me.
Done it. Done.
Oh, matik man.
Not banging.
Mukbanging. Hala, the chocolate is gonna be melted. It's in my bag. So it's nice to sit on the sun. Mawa ang sakit sa itong mga kalawasan. It's freshly baked, isn't it? It's very nice, I think. I can tell.
Don't know.
Yeah. Nice. The drinks, my drinks. And chips. I cook my own chips. Put in the oven, no oil in it. Your face glint is really red now. Is my face red?
Yeah.
But I
You're
got,
not in the sun. How's it going to be red?
no, we're just walking around. I got sun cream earlier. I seen that lady, the next table, she had a sunscreen. Because you know why we are very sensitive about the sun, because our skin, we're not used to it on the sun. And then we long in the sun, we sit down on the sun.
Not a motorway.
Yeah. And then our skin gonna shock because we used not to have a sun. I really like the pizza. It's 10 pounds. 11 pounds. It's cheaper than back home. Because when you order pizza in Greenwich, they're expensive down in Philippines. Anyway, here loads of cheese. Very good. Yan, hindi na namin naubos kasi Sobrang cheesy niya, yung sa gitna. Yung crust masarap kasi wala kang masyadong cheese. Saka, hindi na namin maubos. Ito, ubusin namin. Yung drinks. Wala na. But, if we order another drinks, is a long queue over there. So, hindi na lang kami mag-order. No. I have a drink in the car anyway. Because it's a long queue, eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we're heading back to the car later and going back home.
Oh, yeah.
I would just wanted to go around somewhere. So we're done our lunch for today, and then we're just moving somewhere. We just walk around. Actually, their pizza is very nice though. I will gonna be back here having some pizza, and we're struggling to finish off. But the price is not really bad at all. It's good. It's nice to relax, sunny. Then tanawan ilang mga kahoy. Mao na ilang kahoy gamiton sa unod sa kuan sa pizza. So bridge nila. What's the matter with the water? Why is brown? It's really dirty. What's the matter?
But it's not a river, is it?
It's a man-made,
Yeah, it probably is.
right?
This is because all the boats stir the muck up all the time, don't they?
Yeah.
And the waterfall don't help.
And here we're heading somewhere. Diha mi ganina. Then they walk me around to get here. Nanay boat coming. And then just come around here. Ang mga babae ron, kay init kaayo mga babae dito. Dress up kayo.
So this is the river now, isn't it?
This is a river, a stream.
What is it? Medway or what? What is it?
I don't look up. I feel dizzy looking at the water. Ang mga dress up kayo sila. Mga dress up kayo mga babae dito kasi ang tawag dito mainit. Pero malamig pa rin para sa akin dahil windy. So, kahit ako yung damit ko, sa Pinas ko to binili nung umuwi ako. Ano lang to, on sale, wala pa sa mga 500 lang. Bumili ako bali. Ilan ba yung binili ko? 5, iba-ibang kulay. Kasi mas mura na yan, i-compare dito, di ba? At saka, cotton siya. Alam mo naman, yung Filipino made talaga natin, the best. Oh, private boat around. Dato kayo na sila, rich nang na mga ingana. Kaya can afford man sila mga ingana. Where is he? He's gone. Yeah. So,
I'm gonna walk there and come back.
we just
Driver.
walking back to the car. We're done our lunch. And, yeah, mga tao dito, ganyan sila. Ganyan sila. Parang nakakawala sa halwa yung mga tao. Kasi, bihira lang ang init dito. Malamig pa rin para sa akin dahil tawag dito, mahangin eh.
That looks like you when you're bending over. Look.
Oh God, for God Christ's sake. You have something wrong. Oh my God. Pareha ko numi ato ay. Katong nagtuwad ka pretend ako aglubot. Nabuang na.
Buwang.
Nabuang na si Manoy.
Buwang.
Yes. I need to wear my flat sandal because I'm going to toilet. Because I'm wearing my OOTD is my Lacoste sandal na with siya. So, it's time to where's atong mga pangsamiri na mga sandal kay sige lang tag midyasan ni lakabuan. Ni stop over na pud mi diri aring laing lugar paingon na mi uli. We're heading back to our house, but we stop over here. This is a hotel. It's not a countryside in here, isn't
Of
it?
course it is, yeah.
Yeah, hotel by the
But it's an old
countryside.
village.
It's an old village, and this is a water table in here. It's very high now because of the sun and gravel is in England. Every time it's rainy, the water tables comes up high. So, yeah, and that is the bridge. So, we are here in different place. Again, namatay kasi yung battery kong isa kanina. So, I'm gonna show you what is my handbag. Wherever I go,
And then you've got to show people your hand.
oh my God, my drinks. Drink, you told me it's just a bit. You wanna, You know, I tell you the story of this glass.
Oh, not another story.
Yeah. Last weekend, we went to a witch festival, which is,
What's
how
a
many
witch festival? Morris dance.
Oh, Morris dancing, whatever, but I call it witch festival. Yeah. And then we went to the pub and we're having some drinks. He noticed that there's a plastic. And you know what, guys? Guess. He took it, this one. Two. And he put in the cupboard, wash it and put in the cupboard. And I have planned to throw it in the bin. Luckily, I didn't throw it. And it's really useful in the summertime wherever we go because we always having a drinks in the car. So now we have a disposable,
They're not disposable, washable.
washable. So, what is in my handbag? Sa dami-dami kong handbag, ito lagi kung saan yung nakalagay yung mga gamit ko, doon yung, alam nyo ba yung nagmamadali ka, wala ka ng time na magpalit ng handbag, so, inano mo na lang, yung ginagrab mo na lang, so, kasi, usually, I have the eco bag, is na a eco bag that one, I think is a tote bag, but cloth one, so, kasi, lagi kong dala-dala itong camera ko, my camera. While I'm filming, I'm using my small camera, my GoPro camera. And then, chocolate. He always have something to eat in my handbag wherever we go. And I have another one as well. This is for me. Cashew nuts. It's my favorite. Oh, you didn't finish off this.
It melted.
It's gonna be melted,
Well, I
this
put it
one.
in the fridge.
Yeah, hindi niya natapos itong kainin kasi
Look at
mainit
that.
ba? Tapos ano, melted
Are you
na siya.
looking?
What?
Look at the push tree.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird?
No, you're gonna be in up on that.
Oh, right.
Then, my son is,
What?
I always have two sunnies in my handbag, but I don't know why I only have one. Then, kalimutan ko yung isa. Kasi, nagpalit ako a week ago, nagpalit ako ng handbag. Dati yung isang handbag yung ginagamit ko, ito yung Lacoste handbag. Tapos, of course, in my small pouch, I have my hand sanitizer, I have lipstick in it, tambal sa sakit sa o kabuhi, Vaporin from Philippines. Yan, kati ng ilong ko kasi pollen eh. Tapos, my headset. Kung naubos na kasi yung wet flower ko eh, always I have that one. Alam mo na gorge na, di ba? And suddenly, I'm using my tripod, my mobile, but it's gone broke. It's broken. So, sabi niya, he tried to fix it, but I think so he cannot fix this one. gonna be throw it away on the bin. It's cost me £9 this one, but it's long time ago. And it's really useful when I take photos because I'm just do selfie. And his mobile is in my bag. And my wallet. I use my big wallet in it. Nothing money, no money, just only a card. Yeah, no money. I'm not used to it that I have money in my pocket. And this my how do you call it? Hand grip for my camera, my mobile, and all the cards in here. I have a cards in my wallet. I just segregate with I have a proper wallet for all the cards in there. So I'm gonna put card on my porch, just only 2 cards in there. And this all like points card inside, you know, like in SM. So of course, yung glasses natin, yung mata, I cannot live without this and without my camera as well. So that's all. That's all inside my bag. And eventually, we were heading home shortly because it's about 4 o'clock now, isn't it? It's 4 o'clock. And then I think I couldn't have enough time to edit some video. So I gonna upload that one every Saturday and Sunday or Monday. It depends my if bank holiday Monday or Friday, makakapag-upload ako. Which when bank holiday, wala kaming pasok. So, yeah. Yun lang ang nasa bag natin. Alam nyo ba, yung buhay namin dito, puro yung napaka-precious yung time na always nagmamadali. Kahapon, half day ako sa work. I work extra yesterday, which is time and half. 5 hours I work, and then after my work, where we going, Tabs? Yesterday? After my work? Didn't go nothing, innit?
We went
Yeah.
Bexley Heath.
We're doing Bixley.
Oh, well, yesterday was Saturday. No.
No, yesterday I didn't
We
go.
did some work indoors. Well, you did.
Yeah, I did some working indoors as well, and then yeah, time's so quick. And then now Sunday is 4 o'clock now, and tomorrow work again. Oh my God, this is life abroad. I can't believe if I know this kind of life, I will not be here. Fortunately,
Where would you be then?
I end up in the wrong planet. See you later.